One of the best Thanksgivings in the 49 years I've been on this planet has been at a place called the Downtown Boxing Gym in Detroit. Detroit is one of my favorite cities in America. This is a city that's rebuilding itself piece by piece, brick by brick. And I met a man there that has become a personal hero of mine. His name is Coach Kali. And when he set out on this mission to open a boxing gym for the community and to mentor kids in every way you can imagine, he was living in a car. He started with literally nothing. And now this has become a center where kids that were fighting obesity have become not only fit, but award-winning athletes, where they've been fed if they were hungry, and where the community came together and teachers donated their time to teach these kids in every course, because they weren't allowed to box and bring themselves to their best level of physical fitness unless they were whole humans and had educated themselves. I can't tell you how it changed my life to go to that gym for that Thanksgiving. Every single person in the world can change the world, and Coach Kali is proof of that. 98% of his kids now not only graduate high school, but go on to college. One of the very, and we met so many of them, but one of the special kids that we met that day was named Jordan. Check out this little piece of his story.
Life in Detroit is hard because people you know, you might not see them the next day.
Jordan was heading into the wrong direction. He was just out of hand.
I used to get calls home, suspensions.
His dad died suddenly, and it was from a two-parent home to a single-parent home.
I've been coming to Downtown Boxing Gym for like 2 or 3 years now.
Jordan has all the potential in the world. Biggest weakness, lack of focus.
Where you see yourself in 5 years from now with that grade point average? You're gonna be in the workforce. Where you think you're gonna be working at? So if you wanna be a bum or something, man, you might as well get a jump on your competition right now. Because you're here for a purpose. That's to learn.
The big rule here is it's not all about boxing. It's like books before boxing.
I think Jordan has changed since he's been gone to the program. Academically, socially, mentally.
I want to give Coach Kali a big thanks for letting me into the gym and helping me improve in school.
I want to tell Coach Kali, thank you, thank you, thank you, because my son is doing better.
Please welcome Jordan, Coach Kali, and Jessica, and they're all joining us. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hey,
How's it going there?
Good.
Jordan, I heard that you've been out checking out schools. Is that true? Checking out colleges?
Yes, I've been checking out colleges, and a bunch of them strike my interest. I want to go to college to study computer science or software engineering.
Not bad.
Feels good to see Jordan. I always knew he had it in him, but it feels good to see him starting to reach some of the goals that he set forth, and he's starting to accomplish them. And so it feels good to see that.
It really does take a whole village, a whole community. It takes all of us helping each other. There's a very special company, including their staff members at PwC Detroit. I don't think I could say this without bursting into tears, but they personally raised $20,935 for Jordan to help pay for college. Jordan, $20,000 is not what it was when I was a child, but it's a heck of a lot of money. How happy does that make you feel?
It makes me feel real good. Thank you so much.
It's exciting, right? I think
we're all in shock a little bit.
Yeah.
I know, that's a lot of money. I'm crying my eyes out. PwC is also going to connect you with counselors and mentors to help you through college application process and all throughout your college experience, because you might be going far away from Coach Kali, so you're going to need a whole new network of mentors. God bless you guys. I miss you so much. I got to come see you soon. So, if you guys want to learn more about the Downtown Boxing Gym, head on over to our website and we'll link you all up.